Two dice are thrown and their sum is noted. Draw a possibility space diagram to show all the possible outcomes. Use your diagram to find A, the probability of the sum being 7, B, the probability that the sum is less than 4, and C, the probability that the sum is 10 or more. A possibility space diagram gives us a way of visualizing all the possible outcomes. It's sometimes known as a probability grid. So if we have a line here and we start with the first die, we'll write down the things that we can get on the first die, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up the side here, we can put the second die, and then we can get the following possibilities. We're doing the sum, so I'm going to put a plus there. So 1 plus 1 will give me 2. So if I get a 1 and a 1, the sum is 2. If I get a 2 and a 1, the sum is 3. 3 and a 1, the sum is 4. A 4 and a 1, the sum is 5. A 5 and a 1, the sum is 6. A 6 and a 1, the sum is 7. Then we carry on. A 1 and a 2 is 3, and we can just carry on like that. So we get 4, 5, 6, 7. Carrying on again, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the next one will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can visualize all the possible outcomes. This last one, for example, is a 6 plus a 6, which gives me 12. We can see very clearly when we throw two dice that there will be 36 outcomes. Now we can answer the questions. So remember using the correct notation. P, the probability of the sum is 7, so that's going to be all these ones here. Now you might understand why we have this game called sevens. We can see there are 6 possible ways, because this is the most likely thing to happen when you throw two dice is you get 7. You get 6 ways of getting a 7 out of 36, and that cancels down to being 1/6. B, probability the sum is less than 4. Less than 4 does not include 4, so it's going to be these ones here. We'll put a ring around them, and therefore we get 3 different ways out of 36, which gives me 1 out of 12. Last part, the probability the sum is 10 or more. So that does include 10 because it says 10 or more. So we can put a ring around them. There's 6 different ways that can happen when you throw two dice. There's going to be 6 out of 36, which is equal to 1/6. So this is a brief introduction to possibility space diagrams or probability grids.